Hello everybody. So this is some output from a drawing program I wrote in MSX Basic. I was planning on using the graphics for a game to run on MSX computers. See how that. I was wanting to see those hills too. I was wanting to add a sun or a moon and clouds to that. Probably a moon. So I'm going to do flip this file. File not found. Oh, because it's got to specify it's a .object file. I forgot about that. Alright, so I need to find yellow. Oh, that's good. And no, a minute. Leave it. I think I was going to make it the moon instead. Let's see. I think this will work. I never put a circle routine in here. I mean, I don't know. I probably won't. Did we record that? No, we did not. This is a manual circle. Record that. No, it did not. Okay, right there. I put in where it changes the border color when you begin a line. Let me see. I don't know if it's going to work or not. No. Okay. So what color is it looking for? Get out of that. I might be able to edit it. Possibly. So I need to change that paint command to a fill command, and I don't remember how to do that. See, that's right. I think it's that one. I don't think that's right. Let me try that again. No, well that did change it to a fill. However, that should be the fill color. I think I need to change it to 14. Okay, now let's see what this does. That may have fixed it. Yeah, okay, that works. Now some clouds. Well, I think it was like up to 160 bytes or something. So I've got a little bit. Of room to work here. Get a cloud. Well, it's a pretty ugly cloud, but I think I'm using that for the fill2 command. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, so the semicolon key, or the colon key on the keyboard, is the fill2 command, and the backslash is the original paint command that was in the original program. So now I want to save this as fill2 object. Okay. A directory. See what this does. This program's done, I think. That was the batch command I just used, you know, so I could overlay different objects. And I will list the program, so those of you that would like to type it in may do so. Since that was the batch command, I'm pressing the key to get out of that. There were several bugs I had to find and resolve, but overall I think it turned out pretty good. So I'm gonna put this and list it. So, well, let me start over here. Okay, and that way you guys can copy it if you so desire. Of course, the file names, you would have to use your own file name, you know, save your own stuff. Oh, and that's something about the batch command. Once you get a picture that you like if you're going to, you know, for the game that's coming up, then you can press the backslash key while in batch mode, enter that instead of a batch command, and it will end the program, but output on the screen a line number data statement, well, not data statement, but an object string equal to statement that will have the batch command that you entered into it, and then so you can use that. You'll be able to use that in a game that's coming up, or I will. I mean, that's the whole point of it. I thought about creating like an editor thing, but there's only like 6K left in memory. I think this thing's emulating like a 24K machine or something, or 32K, I don't know, one or the other. But this program's running out of memory, but that's fine. I mean, it's running, but there's not much memory left to put anything else in there, I guess is what I'm saying. I mean, it's still quite a bit of memory. I mean, I can put some stuff in there, but I could probably squeeze an editor in the batch routine, but I don't need to do that, because this thing is doing what I'd planned for it to do, which is just give me an easy way to display graphics for the RPG game that I want to write. And of course, I got to finish saving the graphics, creating the graphics, and it's almost to the end here, I would think. Yep, right there. That's the end of it. That's the whole program. It's kind of long. So you got less than 6K, right? Anyway, that's enough for this video. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below, and oh, let me me demonstrate this real quick. So, alright, say you came up with a batch command. I'm not going to display it because you've already seen this on the screen, but say you typed your batch command and you want to save it, okay? So hit backslash, hit enter, and it will end the program, but it will put the batch definition, you know, as a line number. So that can be saved in the game to pull up, you know, the graphics. I think I'm repeating myself. Anyway, let me explain this command a little bit. So the first name there is a file name to the background object, and you don't have to have the extension, just the name. And then all the parameters are separated by semicolons, and the greater than symbol indicates a pre-definition of coordinates and scaling for the object you want to load. And then after the greater than symbol, you've got the scale command, or well, the scaling parameter. Then you've got the x coordinate, and then the y coordinate, and then you got the file, or the name of the object you want to load under those parameters. And if you want to use the same object that you had just loaded, then instead of specifying the name of the object, you just put an asterisk there, and that will save some time, because you can just, all it has to do is just draw it, you know, at a different spot or whatever, and it doesn't have to load it because it's already in memory. And that's basically it. You got to be careful with scaling objects up or down, because it can make the paint coordinates can get off. Let me see if I can show that real quick. So here's the rock. Oh, and that's just the arrow there. We're in draw mode, so I'll do that to show this is like a special mode. I press the 0 key to get into this mode. Now I'm going to draw it without filling it in, but you'll be able to see right there, I don't know if you can see that, there's a gray dot that indicates where the paint command was issued, and so that's the coordinates where it will start painting it. Right, well, right above the arrow there. So anyway, that's probably enough for this video. Well guys, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I will talk to you later.